Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Currently we are on the topic that is top 25 cyber attack series. We will continue with that. Today we are going to see what is ransomware attack, and also we will see the most famous ransomware attack in the history, and also we will cover up how to prevent from this type of attacks. So before getting into the video, if you are not subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for more cyber videos. So without getting late, let's get started. Let's see what is ransomware attack. Before getting into technical knowledge, let's understand what is ransom. Imagine a scenario where a child got kidnapped and the kidnapper demanding some money in order to release the child. In this scenario, the money is called as ransom. Let's get into technical definition. Ransomware is a type of dangerous malware which is used by cyber criminals. If the computer or network infected with ransomware, firstly it blocks access to the files, data in the PC or system and encrypts all the data. And in order to release the data, the cyber criminals demand some ransom in order to release the data. The payment mostly will be in the form of cryptocurrency only. So this is the most dangerous attack, and the businesses will get afraid of this type of attacks. Let's see the most and famous and dangerous ransomware attack in the history. That is nothing but WannaCry. Yes, WannaCry was a ransomware attack that spread over to 170 countries in the year 2017. This attack arrives through via phishing emails and exploited the SMB Windows vulnerability. Actually, it was designed to exploit a Windows vulnerability that which was designed by NSA, that is National Security Agency. But unfortunately, it was leaked by the Shadow Brokers hackers group. And WannaCry was affected almost 230,000 computers around the worldwide. And also the 1/3 of NHS hospitals were affected very heavily. And finally, the users were locked out and the attackers were demanding in Bitcoin. And in first 3 days, the attackers were demanded for each PC, that is $300. And in 6 days, they increased it to up to $600. That is very huge amount. The worldwide financial damage caused by this WannaCry was approximately $4 billion. That is very huge amount. In Indian rupees, that is approximately 30,000 crores. This is small info about WannaCry. Not only WannaCry, there are so many popular ransomware attacks in the history. Let's take an example, that is Tesla script. This is also a ransomware attack that approximately demanded $250 to $1,000 for each PC. And next one is Reveal. Reveal approximately caused damage $10 million. And also NotPetya and also Samsung. These all are the ransomware attacks. So how to prevent from this type of attacks? So what steps we have to take and how to be secure from these attacks? Firstly, don't give out your any personal information unnecessarily, and don't click on any pop-ups, ads while you are surfing the internet, and be careful by SMS and phishing emails, and also turn off your remote services in your Windows. Only download from the sites which you trust and which is protected with SSL certification. I hope you learned some info from this video. If you really enjoy the content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.